Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best clear ice cube machine on the market, the ecozy Countertop Ice Maker. This sleek and powerful device not only delivers crystal clear ice cubes that melt slowly to keep your drinks flavorful, but it also packs a punch in terms of performance and convenience. The ecozy Ice Maker boasts a stainless steel housing that gives it a modern, durable look, perfect for any kitchen, office, bar, or party setting. It can produce 24 clear ice cubes in just 13 minutes, with a daily capacity of up to 45 pounds. That's enough ice to serve 3 to 5 people comfortably, making it ideal for gatherings or everyday use. One standout feature of this machine is its ability to create solid, slow-melting ice cubes, unlike many ice makers that produce hollow or bullet-shaped ice. The clarity and solidity of the cubes mean your drinks stay chilled longer without getting watered down quickly, enhancing your drinking experience. Another highlight is the 24-hour timer function. You can set it up at night, and when you wake up, you'll have fresh ice ready and waiting. This feature adds a level of smart convenience to your routine, eliminating the hassle of manual ice making. Maintenance is also hassle-free with the auto self-cleaning function. Keeping your ice maker spotless is effortless, which ensures hygiene and extends the machine's lifespan. For those times when you're storing the machine away, the interior is easy to wash and dry. The package comes complete with an ice scoop, detachable ice basket, and even ice bags. These accessories help you organize and store your ice efficiently, and the bags let you transfer excess ice to your refrigerator without mess or fuss. Measuring just under 10 inches deep, 14.6 inches wide, and a little over 14 inches tall, this compact machine fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. Despite its small footprint, it packs 150 watts of power to keep the ice production quick and consistent. It's important to note the machine operates on 115 volts, designed primarily for US outlets, so you might need a converter if you plan to use it elsewhere. In summary, the ecozy Countertop Ice Maker stands out as an excellent investment for anyone wanting clear, quality ice cubes on demand. It combines efficiency, style, and smart features into one compact, easy-to-use appliance. Whether you're hosting a party or just want the convenience of fresh ice every day, this machine delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your ice game, this clear ice cube machine is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.